Ay, upload the candle ka.
Cupcake. Asa yun? Ano mo?
Ito.
Asa light? Ay, sorry. Hindi ko naman sabi yun.
Okay.
Latik lang.
Ayaw. Yun. Yun.
Diyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sherman.
Wish.
Yes!
Tara yun. Birthday cake to, birthday cupcake. Birthday cupcake, hindi birthday cake. Wala natin.
Alam ko si Sarah na ano, parang siya gusto ko lang mapping. Doon tayo mag-blow. Okay. Yung iba nga sa topic lang nag-blow, diba?